Hey all, these are the solutions to our math problems for Tuesday, April 14th. So problem number 1 said, in the submarine kitchen, Sam found 12 apples. Sam ate 8 apples. How many apples were left? So, how many apples did Sam start with? 12. So we're going to draw 12 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's the 12 apples that Sam found. Then he ate 8 of them. So we're going to take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many apples are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we started with 12 apples. Then we took away, so we're going to do a minus sign. Because we took them away. We took away 8 of those apples because he ate those 8 apples. And that left us with 4 apples left. Okay, moving on to problem 2. Sam was a really hungry toucan, so after he ate the apples, he decided to have dessert. For dessert, he found some blueberries. So he found 24 blueberries. He ate a handful for dessert, and when he was done, there were 15 left. How many blueberries did Sam eat? So how many blueberries were there to start with? 24. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. By doing them in groups of 5, it makes it a lot easier and faster for me to count. And I'm making sure I line them up. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 blueberries. He ate some, so we don't know how many he ate. We don't know how many we need to take away. And then when he was done, there were 15 left. Well, so I'm going to count 15 and put those in the bowl. That way we know which ones are still there. So actually, and I know this is 5, this is 10, this is 15, because I can count by 5 since I grouped them by 5s, but I'm going to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So these 15 are still in the bowl after Sam finished eating dessert. So which ones did he eat? He must have eaten the ones that aren't in the bowl. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sam must have eaten 9 blueberries. So we could write that equation as 24 minus 15. You could say we took away those 15 and we were left with 9. Or you could write it as this. 24 minus something was 15. That left 15 in the bowl. And then we figured out that the ones that Sam ate were 9. Either way, Sam ate 9 blueberries. Moving on to problem number 3. So for problem number 3, remember he tripped and spilled that full bowl of 86 chocolate chips. So there were 86 chocolate chips in the bowl. When Sam knocked it over, there were still 23 that hadn't fallen out. There were still 23 in the bowl. How many fell out? So how many did it start with? 86. So we're going to use base 10 blocks. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. So I have 86 there. Now, his bowl fell over, and there were 23 that were still in the bowl. So I'm going to put 23 in the bowl. So 10, 20. So I'm going to put those 2 in the bowl. And then 3. So how many are left? How many fell out of the bowl? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 tenths, 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 60 1, 2, 3. 63 must have fallen out of the bowl. So we could write our equation like this. We could say we started with 86, then we took away 23, and we were left with 63. Or we could write it, we started with 86, then some fell out of the bowl. We don't know how many. It's our mystery number. Oh, sorry. Okay, we started with 86. We took some away. We don't know how many. It's our mystery number. We were left with 23. And so the ones that we figured out fell out of the bowl must have been 63. And we can write that down below. Okay, so that is how you can use base 10 blocks to figure out how many chocolate chips must have fallen out of the bowl. Finally, on to our last problem, our challenge problem, number 4. We're dealing with time today. So, Sam went to bed. He was really tired, but he looked at the clock before he went to sleep. It was 9 o'clock when he went to sleep. It was 7 o'clock the next morning when he woke up. How long did Sam sleep? Okay, so we are going to have to figure out some time stuff. So if I look at a clock, 9 o'clock looks like that. So then I know that one more hour would be 10 o'clock. This is 9 o'clock. Another hour would be 11 o'clock. Another hour would be 12 o'clock. Now something special happens when we're working with clocks. Does it go to 13 o'clock? It doesn't. It goes back to 1 o'clock. Okay, so it's like a number line, but it repeats back down to 1 after you have hit 12. So 1 o'clock, and then 2 o'clock. We're going to bring this one down here. 2 o'clock, and then 3 o'clock, and then 4 o'clock, and then 5 o'clock, and then 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and that was when Sam woke up. So how many hours did Sam sleep? Well, how many hops did we do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sam slept for 10 hours. Okay? 10 hours. So if you were going to write an equation for this, there isn't really a good way to do it. The way I would write it would be, I would write 3 plus 7 equals 10. Because there were 3 hours from 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 12 o'clock. And then we know that after that, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That piece is a lot easier because it's just counting by ones. This piece is the harder piece. So there were 3 hours to get us to 12. So 3 plus the 7 hours after 12. 3 plus 7 give us 10. Okay? So that is a very tricky one. It's hard to think of that equation. I had to give it some thought. So don't worry about that equation. Think more about what the clocks looked like and how time works. How there were 3 hours before midnight, before 12, and then it went back to 1. Okay? And so you have to put those two pieces together to get how long he slept. I hope that was tricky. I hope it was fun. I hope you had fun challenging yourself, trying to figure out how long Sam slept. Hope you have a good one. Wash your hands, stay safe, have fun, enjoy the snow, and have a good day. See you, everyone.